Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Medicos Notes. As all of my subscribers requested voice your notes, so for the first time I am giving voice to my notes and making notes on vitamin A. So I'll cover one by one all the vitamins. Now first fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. So vitamin A today I will cover. So vitamin A is usually asked as a long question. So whenever it is asked as a long question, you can just first write the main important headings. If you remember, it will be easy to cover all topics of vitamin A. See, first you have to write the sources, then write about the chemistry, then how it is absorbed, transported and mobilized, then RDA, then the functions of vitamin A, then the deficiency, what happens, then how to treat the deficiency, then what is the prophylaxis. So if you write under these headings, at least one point if you write, you will get good marks. So now coming to the sources, first thing we'll cover the sources of vitamin A. What are the sources of vitamin A? You can get vitamin A from the animal food as well as from the plant food. From the animal food, you'll get it from the liver, chicken liver, beef liver, then from the egg, then from the butter, cheese, fish liver oil, what we call as cod liver oil. Then from the plants, yellow fruits like papaya and mango. Carrots are the rich sources of vitamin A. From the pumpkin you will get, and green leafy vegetables also contain vitamin A. Now going to the next, chemistry of vitamin A. Vitamin A is a group of organic compounds. It is available in different forms like retinol, retinoic acid, retinol, and also the beta carotene, which is a provitamin A. The structure of vitamin A, if you can draw it, it will be good. It's very easy to draw, nothing is there. First you have to draw one beta adenine ring, has a double bond here, and it has 3 methyl groups. This is the beta adenine ring and it has got one side chain. To it, there is one hydroxyl group attached. It has double bonds here. And 2 methyl groups attached here. So very easy to understand the structure of vitamin A. This is the basic structure of retinol. So what are these retinol and retinoic acid and beta carotene? Beta carotene, it is a provitamin A. It is found in the plant foods. It cleaves to give 2 moles of retinol. Retinol, it's a primary alcohol containing beta adenine ring. Side chain has 2 isoprenoid units, 4 double bonds and 1 hydroxyl group. It is not destroyed by heat, and due to the presence of the double bonds, it is susceptible to oxidation. And it is present in the animal tissues as retinol esters with the long chain fatty acid. So retinol, it's an aldehyde form of vitamin A. It is obtained by oxidation of the retinol. So retinol on oxidation, it will give rise to retinol. What is retinoic acid? It is produced by oxidation of the retinol. So retinol on oxidation, it will give you retinoic acid. So we covered sources and chemistry. Now going to absorption, transport and mobilization of vitamin A. So from the diet, if it is from the animal source, you will get retinol esters, and if it is from the plant source, you will get beta carotene. Retinol esters are hydrolyzed by the pancreatic hydrolysis or the intestinal brush powder hydrolysis to retinol. Then it is taken up by the liver and stored there. What happens if we are receiving from the plant source? It is beta carotene. On entering the intestine, it will enter the intestinal cell. Inside the cell, what all happens? Beta carotene releases 2 moles of retinol. The retinol is again reduced to retinol. And again the retinol is re-esterified to retinyl esters. So it is then incorporated into the chylomicrons, transferred to the lymph. From there it is taken up by the liver and then stored. So what happens after it is stored in the liver? It is stored in the liver as all-trans retinol as and when needed. If the body is deficient of vitamin A, in such cases, it is released from the liver as retinol. Then it is transported to the tissues by retinol binding protein in association with the prealbumin. Then it enters the target cell, which contains a cellular retinol binding protein. So that carries retinol to the nucleus. Then after entering inside the nucleus, it binds to the chromatin. Here it exerts its function. So now let's go to the RDA, recommended dietary allowance of. What is RDA of vitamin A? Infants and children require 400 to 600 micrograms per day. Adults require 600 to 800 micrograms per day, whereas in pregnancy and lactation the requirement is more, so 1000 to 1200 micrograms per day. So this is all in today's video. So what all we covered? We covered the sources of vitamin A, the chemistry of vitamin A, all the forms of vitamin A, retinol, retinoic acid, retinol, beta carotene. Then we also covered absorption, transport and mobilization of vitamin A. Then we also covered what happens once it is stored in the liver, how it is released, how it executes its function in the target cell. Then we also covered the dietary allowance for vitamin A. So subscribers and dear friends, I hope you all enjoyed today's notes of vitamin A. In part 2, I'll cover rest of the vitamin A, that is functions, deficiency of vitamin A, treatment of deficiency, and how to do the prophylaxis of vitamin A. So in next video, I'll be posting that. Till then, take care.